Do you grow food at home or work? Is your garden visited by beneficial organisms, but also by pests? What's your approach to pests? Let's have a look how we addressed a common pest attacking lemon, orange and mandarin trees at this fantastic permaculture garden in Randwick without using any nasties. Hi, I'm Jan from sustainablebutterflies.com.au. We are on a mission to make Australian educational, care and other organizations sustainable, frugal and improve their footprint. The link to our website is in the description below. And in today's video we will look at what citrus leaf miner was doing to orange, lemon and mandarin trees at this garden. The decision-making process around how to control it and what we did. What were the results? And at the end we will talk about the integrated pest management and how this garden actually views pests. To put this in a context, here is a quick video from early March, back when this control started, before the volunteering sessions were temporarily put on hold. And a warning, the video is a bit frantic, but it will be quick. Hey everyone, so today we at this fantastic permaculture garden in Randwick, and I'm here with a group of dedicated volunteers. So I'm here with Paul, Natalie, Kim and what's your name? Paulina. And what we're gonna do today, we're gonna hang some citrus leaf miner traps, eco traps. It looks like this. So eco citrus leaf miner trap, and we have some citrus leaf miner infestation at this garden, and because it's a permaculture garden we're not going to use any pesticides or insecticides. So I'm gonna show you later how we're gonna do this. It's very simple, you just hang the trap in a tree. Alright, so what we're doing now, because there's some small lemon trees here, like that, and they're quite badly affected by citrus leaf miner. So what our group is doing here, what Kim is currently doing right now, she is removing the infested foliage from the lemon tree, because that's the recommended practice. And once we've done that, we're gonna hang these citrus leaf miner traps on each tree to prevent further pest infestation. That was in early March when we put them on all trees. But before we did that, we tested it on this big lemon tree behind me to see if it works. That was in early January, and by mid-February the trap was reasonably full, as you can see on the photo. And what are these traps? They contain a pheromone lure which attracts the pest larvae, which get stuck on the insides of the sticky insides of the trap. They're certified organic and last up to about 3 months. Citrus leaf miner, as the name suggests, is a pest whose larvae mines through the leaves, leaving silvery mining trails that distort the foliage. And it's fair to say that they're not that dangerous to mature trees, because the mature trees have already developed plenty of thick and leathery foliage, and the pest prefers soft and juicy leaves. So it's more of an aesthetic issue for the mature trees. But the young trees you saw in the video, there is one here, and might be able to see the trap is here, reasonably full. These young trees are quite vulnerable because they haven't developed lots of thick and leathery foliage unlike the adult ones, and the pest needs to be controlled. So what was the process again? We identified the pest, we agreed on a solution which is aligned with the philosophy of this garden, more on that later. We tested it on a small scale, and when we got the results, we scaled it up. And we also removed the affected foliage and didn't overwater in late summer and spring to limit flush growth, because that's when this pest is active. Well, you might be asking, why don't we get just a spray or oil or something? This sounds like a lot of work. Well, you can get whatever you want. But before you go get the quick fix, I would recommend familiarizing with the principles of the integrated pest management. The definition is in the description. And the bottom line of the IPM is prevention, assessment, monitoring, and then right action response, instead of a late, wrong reaction. And as far as these eco traps are fantastic, certified organic, etc., this is as far as this permaculture garden would go when it comes to control. Because in nature, you wouldn't ideally need any control as such. And I want to share with you just 3 examples of how this garden actually views pests. There is a huge blue-tongued lizard living in that hole there, and he or she feeds on slugs and snails. Aphids that occur naturally are eaten by ladybugs, ladybug larvae, lacewings and other beneficial organisms. This garden has a variety of flowers, herbs, veggies, fruits and natives. There is a native beehive and food forest. And this huge diverse environment invites the good guys who feed on the bad guys, just like in nature. In a nutshell, this space is a good reminder of the bigger picture. There is so much more to this space. Regular workshops are organized here by the council and by the landscape architect who designed this whole area, which used to be a wasteland, but is now an edible oasis maintained by volunteers. And we need oases because deserts are spreading. Check the links in the description and make sure you visit. This is a fantastic area. And let me know, how do you actually treat pests at your garden or at your workplace? I'm interested. Thank you very much for your time. I really appreciate it. We're Sustainable Butterflies, and who are we doing this for? For the environment, future generations, plants, animals, including butterflies. You have a great day.